An online learning platform is a comprehensive system enabling secure web-based training and e-learning solution that employs a simple and intuitive user interface. These platforms are important to you especially because 1. You can access learning materials created by teachers and others outside lesson time and from locations such as the library and your home. 2. You can store work and notes online for use in assignments, homework, and revision at any time you want. 3. You can work at your own pace and with a wider choice of learning style through a more personal curriculum. 4. It will improve your ICT skill and online management of material. Before we get to it, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can get more interesting videos like this. First is Lynda.com. Lynda.com is a veteran in online learning. It is amongst the best platform, especially for visual learners, as it's often a subscription-based video tutorial library. The company was acquired by LinkedIn in 2015 for $1.5 billion. In December 2016, Microsoft acquired LinkedIn for $26.2 billion. So Lynda.com is now owned by Microsoft at the time of making this video. Be sure to check the description below for links to the top online learning platforms. Next is Coursera. They have partnered with leading universities in the US and around the world to provide online courses covering dozens of different subjects. Coursera has a wide diversity of subjects available to choose from. Everything from data science to music theory, as Coursera prides itself on being accessible to everyone. Many of the courses are either free or very cheap to take, with only the official certificate at the end having a higher cost involved. Not long ago, they introduced specializations, 10 different courses pathways that will lead to an official certification from an associated university. Third on the list is Khan Academy. Khan Academy is a non-profit online platform providing completely free library of education, micro lectures. Khan Academy provides a fine blend of video and text-based materials in math, sciences, economics, humanities, and a bit of computer programming. Since it's free for anyone to use, it is a great way to get a taste of a subject before moving onto a more advanced course elsewhere. The penultimate on the list is Udacity. Udacity is a platform with a strong focus on technology. If you're looking to break into data science, Udacity Data Science program has an impressive roster of teachers from companies like Salesforce and Facebook. The best part is its pricing structure. It allows you to pay monthly for your courses. So if you decide to drop a program before completing it, you pay for the courses up to that point rather than the whole thing. To make the list a complete 5 is Udemy. Udemy is an online course marketplace open to industrial experts to teach their knowledge and area of expertise to learners. If you want to learn anything from Android, iOS, and web development to business and entrepreneurship, health and fitness, language, music, photography, yoga, games, and so on, in a less academic style, you would want to consider Udemy. The most popular Udemy courses in business and technology tends to be upward of $100, but they offer discounts of as low as $9 for their courses regularly. You can read the review of former students before signing up for any of the courses, so you can make a more informed decision. Which is your favorite online learning platform? Which of them did we miss? Tell us in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel so you get notification on new videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.